How to report a problem with Chase bank transaction. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are providing you with a step-by-step guide in order to do so with a transaction. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. We can start by going over to our browser and go to chase.com. Head over and go to chase.com. Once we have headed over there, we can enter our username first, password, and click on this option called sign in order to sign in. Now, once you are signed in, what you can do is you can click on accounts and find the transaction in question to your recent activity. So scroll and find that specific transaction and look out for an option called report a problem or dispute this transactions, which should be something like this. So go ahead and find this option called report a problem and go ahead and click on it right here. Find this option and click on it. And their options may include fraudulent transaction, duplicate charge, incorrect amount, service not received, etc. So you can just go over and select a reason and provide and confirm the transaction amount, date, and the merchant. Just go over and do so. After you've done that, you can also attach any supporting documents if needed and click on submit. After that, you will be getting a confirmation email and a notification. You can just go over and enter it up and Chase will investigate and may contact you for more info. You can just go over and follow that process. Alternatively, Chase also has phone number available for customer support. You can call them and report you lost a stolen card or suspicious transaction immediately. So that's it everybody. You can follow up that. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.